Hey everyone, let's dive into chapter 1, Shloka 20 of Bhagavad Gita, where Arjuna stands at the brink of battle. This verse teaches us crucial lessons on preparation, inner strength, and how to face life challenges head on. Let's explore. Here's what's happening in this verse. Arjuna, standing on the battlefield, sees the opposing forces assembled. Bearing the emblem of Hanuman on his chariot, he picks up his bow, fully prepared for the fight. This moment sets the stage for what's to come, showcasing his readiness for action. Preparation is key in facing any challenge, just like Arjuna does. Mental readiness. Arjuna centers his mind and focus on the task at hand. This shows the importance of mental clarity before taking on any challenge. Physical preparedness. By picking up his bow, he ensures that he is physically ready. We need to be fully equipped, both in mind and body. Anticipation. Arjuna's readiness reflects his proactive mindset. He is prepared, not waiting for battle to come to him. There is a deeper meaning behind the imagery in this verse. Hanuman's presence. The flag on Arjuna's chariot bears the image of Hanuman, symbolizing divine protection. This reminds us that we are never alone in our battles. Inner resources. Hanuman represents strength, devotion, and fearlessness, qualities Arjuna tap into. These are also traits we can rely on when facing life struggles. Spiritual strength. The presence of Hanuman reminds us to draw on our spiritual strength when challenges arise, not just our physical abilities. Arjuna teaches us to confront our difficult situations. Acknowledgement. He faces the reality of the situation. He sees the opposing army and doesn't turn away. Courage. Instead of retreating, Arjuna steps forward, demonstrating immense bravery. Action. Arjuna's readiness to act shows the value of taking decisive steps rather than avoiding or delaying the inevitable. Arjuna's actions are guided by higher calling, higher purpose. Arjuna is a driven by dharma person or righteousness, knowing that his actions serve a greater good. Value alignment. This verse reminds us to align our actions with our core values. Acting in accordance with our principles provide clarity and strength. Perseverance. When we have a clear purpose, it gives us the determination to keep going, even in the face of challenges. Spiritual growth. By acting with purpose, we grow spiritually. Arjuna's actions transcend the battlefield and become a path for inner development. Here's how we can apply these teachings in our daily lives. Mental focus. Before taking on any task, cultivate focus and clarity. Mentally prepare yourself for challenges ahead. Inner strength. Tap into your inner resources, your values, beliefs, and spiritual practices. They provide a limitless source of strength. Courageous actions. Face your problems head on. Avoiding challenges only prolongs them. Be brave and take decisive actions. Purposeful living. Align your daily actions with your values and higher purpose. Let your Dhamma, your life mission, your guide, choose your way. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this lesson. Preparation. Set clear goals and make a plan before facing any challenge. Inner strength. Develop spiritual practices that build resilience and keep you grounded. Facing challenges. Address issues directly rather than procrastinating and avoiding them. Purposeful action. Make sure your daily activities are aligned with your values and your life's greater purpose. Thanks for joining.